Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best acrylic nail kit is probably one of the most versatile and exciting tools for anyone looking to achieve professional-looking manicures at home, offering a complete solution for sculpting, shaping, and refining acrylic nails with precision and ease, making it an indispensable addition to your beauty arsenal for creating stunning nail art and maintaining flawless extensions. Number 5. MelodySusie PC120i Nail Drill. Discover the MelodySusie PC120i, your new go-to for professional nail care at home. This pen-shaped drill offers powerful 20,000 revolutions per minute performance in a compact design. Experience the convenience of a high-performance electric nail file that fits right in your hand. Its USB portability makes it perfect for use anywhere, anytime. Achieve salon-quality manicures with ease. This versatile tool is designed for all your nail care needs, from polishing to shaping. Say goodbye to difficult gel removals. This electric nail file makes taking off gel polish quick and simple, without damaging your natural nails. Designed with beginners in mind, it's incredibly easy to use. Get professional results even if you've never used a nail drill before. Its compact and ergonomic design ensures comfort during use. Enjoy flawless nails with this essential addition to your beauty routine. What we like. This nail drill offers ultimate portability with its USB design. Its compact and lightweight build makes it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. If you're a beginner looking for a convenient and easy-to-use tool for at-home manicures, this is a great choice. What people say. It's perfect for at-home or professional salon manicures. It's easy to use and works so well. Comes with many different metal heads and lots of sanding heads as well. It has different speed settings on a dial, which is a part of the cord you use to charge it, as well as an on and off switch. The drill itself is lightweight, comfortable to hold, and small enough to control easily during use. It fits naturally in the hand and doesn't feel bulky. The kit includes a good selection of accessories. It comes with 6 nail bits, 6 sanding bands, plus an additional bag of extra sanding bands. It's also very easy to use for beginners. The controller has a simple speed adjustment and a switch for forward and reverse rotation. It's inexpensive but works like a professional tool, smooth, powerful, and easy to control. The speed settings make it great for everything from shaping to removing gel polish, and it's lightweight enough that my hand doesn't get tired. Number 4. SAVILAND Acrylic Nail Kit with Drill. Achieve professional quality acrylic nails right from your home. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to get started. Designed for beginners, this kit makes creating beautiful acrylic nails simple and enjoyable. All the essential tools are included for your convenience. Explore endless creative possibilities with the included white, pink, and clear acrylic powders. Achieve the perfect look for any occasion. This set comes with everything you need for a full manicure, including brushes and 100 nail forms. It's your complete solution for DIY nail art. Enjoy salon-quality results with this easy-to-use kit. Perfect for both home use and professional salon applications. Elevate your nail game with this all-inclusive acrylic nail kit. It's the perfect investment for anyone looking to master acrylics. What we like. This comprehensive acrylic nail kit provides everything you need for professional results. It's an all-in-one solution for creating stunning acrylic nails at home or in a salon. If you're a beginner who wants a complete package with powders, liquids, brushes, and a drill, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The acrylic powder has a smooth consistency and the monomer gives enough time to shape the nails without drying too fast. The nails come out strong, smooth, and long-lasting. The kit overall was good for at-home sets. The drill and lamp did what they were supposed to do, especially for beginners or casual use. The nail tips, which are full coverage, are of good quality, and there is a large variety of sizes, making it easy to find the right fit for each nail. The included nail drill is light in weight and fits in my hand easily, not bulky or heavy. The speed of the nail drill is easy to adjust and it has both up, forward, and reverse direction, which is also easily adjusted. Number 3. SAVILAND Portable Electric Nail Drill. Introducing the SAVILAND Portable Electric Nail Drill, your all-in-one solution for professional nail care. Achieve salon-quality manicures and pedicures with ease, right at home. With a powerful 20,000 revolutions per minute motor, this electric nail file effortlessly shapes and smooths your nails. It's perfect for both beginners and salon professionals seeking efficiency. This gradient dark pink nail drill comes with 7 different drill bits and 51 sanding bands. You'll have everything you need for various nail treatments, from filing to cuticle care. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your nail journey or a seasoned professional, this tool is designed for comfortable and effective use. Enjoy convenience and precision. Transform your nails with this versatile electric nail file. It's the perfect companion for achieving flawless manicures and pedicures, giving you confidence with every use. What we like. Experience efficient nail care with its powerful 20,000 revolutions per minute drill and versatile bits. This electric nail file is suitable for both manicures and pedicures, making it a great all-around tool. If you're looking for a reliable and effective nail drill for both home and salon use, this option stands out. What people say. The functioning is beyond a 10/10. I've never had such a small nail drill with so much power. It doesn't get crazy hot when using. My mom had never used a drill in her life, and had zero issues, so totally beginner-friendly. Lightweight and easy to maneuver for fine detail sanding. This mini nail drill kit did an excellent job on my self-care mani-pedi. I was surprised it made short work of my heel calluses. Number 2. SAVILAND Acrylic Nail Kit with Drill. Discover the ultimate acrylic nail kit designed for both beginners and professionals. Achieve salon-quality results right at home with this comprehensive set. This kit includes everything you need for beautiful acrylic extensions. From clear, white, and pink powders to the essential liquid monomer and tools, we've got you covered. Experience the ease of application with our high-quality acrylic powder and liquid. The included drill and brush make shaping and perfecting your nails simpler than ever. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore DIY manicures or a salon professional seeking reliable supplies, this set is your perfect partner. Craft beautiful and durable nail extensions with confidence. This kit provides the tools and materials to bring your creative nail designs to life. We are committed to providing high-quality products for your nail care needs. Enjoy a seamless and satisfying experience with our acrylic nail kit. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for creating beautiful acrylic extensions with essential components. It includes clear, white, and pink acrylic powders along with liquid, brushes, and forms. If you're a beginner aiming to master acrylic nail extensions and enjoy DIY projects, this set offers a focused and effective starting point. What people say. The SAVILAND Monomer Acrylic Nail Liquid Kit is a fantastic option for both beginners and experienced nail techs. The 4-ounce bottle of monomer has a smooth consistency that works well with acrylic powders, giving enough time to shape without setting too quickly. It produces strong, long-lasting nails with a professional finish. The included number 12 brush and dap and dish are great additions, making this set ready to use right out of the box. The brush holds product well and maintains its shape after multiple uses. Number 1. Morovan Acrylic Nail Kit for Beginners. Unleash your creativity with this all-inclusive acrylic nail kit. It's designed specifically for beginners, making professional-looking nails achievable right at home. This complete starter set provides everything you need to begin. From the essential acrylics to beautiful glitter powders, you're all set to create stunning designs. Achieve professional results with ease. The included components are user-friendly, perfect for anyone new to acrylic nails. Explore your artistic side with 3 vibrant colors of acrylic powder. Add an extra sparkle with the included glitter powder for truly unique nail art. This is the ultimate starter set for aspiring nail technicians. Get ready to transform your nails with this comprehensive and high-quality kit. What we like. This kit goes beyond the basics by including a special glitter powder for added flair. It's a complete starter set designed with beginners in mind, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and materials. If you're a beginner who loves to experiment with different nail designs and wants a comprehensive set with a touch of sparkle, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The drill is very powerful and makes filing nails quick and easy. It comes with a variety of drill bits for different purposes, which is very convenient. The acrylic nail kit includes everything you need to get started, making it a great value for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.